So in this tutorial series we are discussing about advanced PHP. We already covered about some topics, and today we will show you how to prevent overriding. So basically what is overriding and how to override we have already discussed about in our previous tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to prevent overriding. Suppose I don't need to override, or I want to restrict my overriding our functions or our class, we can do. So let's take an example. Suppose write php tag, and suppose here I am creating a class. So my class name is, I am taking an example, that is vehicle. Okay, and here I am creating a class property, that is $wheels. So basically all vehicles should have wheels. So I am taking the wheels value is 4, and I am creating functions, that is public function, and my function name is suppose details, where I want to describe some statements or anything. Okay, so just for now, just I am returning a statement. So there are different types of vehicle. Okay, but here I am declaring a property, but we have not provided any access specifier. So right here public, so basically the wheels can be accessible from anywhere. Okay, so I am writing the public. Okay, and now to override we need to know the inheritance concept. We already discussed about inheritance concept. So here I am creating another class, that is bus, and I am extending the vehicle class. Okay, so basically the vehicle is the parent class and bus is the child class, and here I am declaring the same variables that is going to override. So if I override, that is 6, means if I redeclare the wheels inside the bus class, and if we create an object of this bus, then we will get the output, the value of wheels is 6. Okay, so just write. So I am creating an object, that is $obj equal to new. So new is the operator to create a new object. Okay, and to write a bus. So basically bus is the class name, and I'm just going to echo these things. So just write obj arrow and the name of the variable, that is wheels. So just write out here, and here I'm writing the beer tag, so it will show in a new line. And just go to the browser and refresh this. Sorry, the spelling mistake. So that will be the object, that is obj, which we have created. So just refresh this, so we can see the output 6. That means basically if I don't write any things or don't redeclare the wheels from the bus, basically it will output from the vehicles. Just refresh here, so it is showing 4, and we are overriding these properties from the bus class. And if we go to the browser and can see the output, that is 6. So basically we are overriding the properties. And same like objects, if we call echo $obj and the details method will get the output from parent class. Okay, so just go to the browser and refresh. So there are different types of vehicle. Okay, so but we have no methods inside this bus, so just override this. So to override the functions, or you can say to override the methods, we need to redeclare the same things. So here are the details, and here I am writing different statement. So right here bus belongs to, sorry spelling mistake, bus belongs to heavy vehicle category. Okay, so if we now refresh this, we can see the output, bus belongs to heavy vehicle category. Basically this is overriding the methods. So here my point is, if we want to restrict the overriding, how we can do this? So we have a new keywords, that is final. So if we declare any methods or class as a final, we cannot extend from the child class. So right here final, basically final is the keyword. So if we just use the final here, we can see the output, that is fatal error cannot override final method vehicle details. So details is the method name. So using the final method, we can prevent overriding of the details. Okay. So now if we want to prevent our class to override or to extend, how we can do this? Simple way. So just write final here and just remove this. So we don't need to write this because we already declared the total class as final. That means it's prevent the overriding of all those things. So just go to the browser and refresh this. So class bus may not inherit from final class because we are declaring the final keyword before the class. That's the reason we cannot override these things. So just to remove this and we can see the output. So in this way we can prevent the overriding. So here I am using the final keyword before the class name and before the method's name, but we have not used the final before the properties. So why? Because we cannot use final keyword before the properties. So just write final, and if we write these things, and it will show the error, cannot declare property vehicle as a final. So we cannot declare any property as a final class. So just note these things. We can use final keyword beside the class and class methods. Okay. So this is the very tricky concept of method overriding. So in this way we can prevent the overriding. Okay. So if you have any queries about this video, please comment in the below comment section. In our next tutorial we will going to show you the constants. So how to create a constant class and all those things related to constant. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.